Construction project management is the process of planning, coordinating, and controlling a construction project from start to finish. It involves managing resources, time, and budgets to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required standard. Construction management focuses on managing the construction process, while construction project management focuses on managing the project as a whole. While the two terms are often used interchangeably, there are distinct differences between the two roles. Construction project management can be challenging, but it's not impossible. It requires specific skills, knowledge, and experience to carry it out successfully. There are 7 phases of construction project management. 1. Pre-construction. 2. Planning. 3. Design. 4. Procurement. 5. Construction. 6. Commissioning. 7. Operations and maintenance. Each phase requires careful planning, coordination, and control to ensure the project's success. The role of a construction project manager is to oversee the entire construction project. They are responsible for managing budgets, schedules, and resources, as well as ensuring compliance with safety and quality standards. A civil engineer is responsible for designing and planning construction projects, while a construction project manager is responsible for managing the project's construction phase. While there is some overlap between the two roles, they are distinct. Both civil engineering and construction project management are crucial aspects of any construction project. While civil engineering focuses on design and planning, construction project management focuses on managing the project's construction phase. The construction life cycle consists of 8 stages. 1. Conceptualization. 2. Feasibility study. 3. Design. 4. Pre-construction. 5. Procurement. 6. Construction. 7. Commissioning. 8. Operations and maintenance. Each stage requires careful planning and execution to ensure the project's success. Project management and construction project management are both critical aspects of any project. While project management is a broader field that applies to various industries, construction project management focuses specifically on construction projects. In conclusion, construction project management is a complex but crucial aspect of any construction project. It requires specific skills, knowledge, and experience to carry it out successfully. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can improve your chances of success in construction project management.